Kenyan Forex traders have mastered the art of flexing. Scroll through their socials and it's almost like a movie. Slick machines, champagne popping, stacks of cash, and the profits are always massive. These people don't just show wealth, they perform it loudly, repeatedly, and almost convincingly.
Broke M-Pesa balance?
1 million currently.
M-Pesa?
Yes.
But here's the thing. When the camera goes off and the filters fade, the story starts to glitch. Because behind the well-curated reels and videos, behind the carefully staged success, the reality isn't always as glossy as it looks. Some of these lifestyles are less of financial freedom and more of financial illusion. A well-scripted act where perception is the real currency. The big question is, are they truly trading the markets or just trading on your belief?
For those people who are looking to join into Forex and don't know where to start from, I have an opportunity to you.
Samuel Ondieki, better known online as Sammyboy, is one of the most recognizable names in Kenya's Forex space. By his own words, he's not just a trader but an award-winning trader, and also a mentor who has spent over 7 years shaping aspiring traders into success stories, or at least that's the narrative.
Hi guys, my name is Sammyboy Kenya, award-winning Forex trader. I'm a mentor for 7 years, and today I want to help a few people get started.
But beyond the titles and the talk, Sammyboy's business model, like many in this space, revolves around two key services. First, account management, where he offers to trade on behalf of clients, promising to grow their capital while they sit back and watch the numbers climb.
Also, those who are interested in account management, please hit me up. We can be able to discuss on profit division as we proceed.
Then there's the second service, teaching and mentorship. Here he positions himself as the guide, as the plug, as the one with the formula.
For those people who are looking to join into Forex and don't know where to start from, I have an opportunity to you. I'm a mentor for 7 years, and today I want to help a few people get started.
On the surface, it all sounds right. Experience, results, mentorship, opportunity. But as with most things in the world of online Forex fame, the real question isn't what's being shown, it's what's being left out.
Ambia on how you make money. If you want to make money from Forex, you have to understand that you are buying money, you are taking money from other people who are trading against you. That's how you make money.
Mid last year, an Exposé dropped on BNN Premium, a Kenyan speaking out against Sammyboy, claiming to have been scammed after falling for one of the services, that being account management. Believing in Sammyboy's trading skills, the individual invested 50,000 Kenyan shillings, trusting him to trade on her behalf with the agreement that they would split the profits. But by morning, the account was wiped. According to Sammyboy, the money had been drained in losses, just like that. And of course, he refused to refund the individual, maintaining that trading comes with risk. And he's not the only one. Josh Wonder, a close ally of Sammyboy and also a flashy Forex trader, has also faced similar accusations. He too was exposed on BNN Premium in a case that sounded all too familiar. A netizen trusted him to manage a trade on his behalf. Same setup, same promise of profits, but things quickly went sideways. At 3 a.m., the message came in, the money was gone, lost in trade, just like that.
I never guarantee any trade, even with my own money. So you want to make money, na huna knowledge. So what you do, you invest it. But as much as you invest it, you just came in as an investor. Same thing as a prop firm, I'm an institution. You get what I mean? If you come in as an individual, you put money in, like let's say $1,000. You totally agree with the terms of the website, not even me. zenye nimepin kwa
website created by you.
Their defense is always the same. Losses happen. The market is unpredictable. It couldn't be avoided. And to be fair, trading does come with risk. But here's where things start to take a darker turn. Because in many of these cases, the issue is not really bad trades, but the environment the trades are happening in. Claims have it that these forex traders or forex scammers or forex influencers, depending on how you view them, involve brokers and use fake or cloned broker sites, platforms designed to look like legitimate trading platforms but controlled behind the scenes. So when someone deposits money, it doesn't actually go into a real trading account. It goes straight to the people running the scheme. From there, everything you see is manipulated: trades, charts, balances, and even the losses. So what might look like a trade went bad is actually just you've been duped.
Right now they claim they are doing account management. Mtu yote anakuambia from Kenyan Prince na hizo zingine zote, they are doing account management. Wanakuibia ni wezi. Now this is the worst part you need to understand. How the likes of these scammers wanawaka mpaka na brokers. Brokers wengi hapa Kenya, they are unregulated. Ndio wana reach out kuambia ni aje, wewe utakuwa unaambia traders you can trade on their behalf and something like that. You understand? Now kuna hiyo number 1. Number 2, the same scammers wa forex utapata kwanza wenye wako binary, wakina dollar printer, wako na site zao zinakaa derive exactly clone broker sites. Wame clone kama ni FX Pesa, wame clone kama ni Derive, wame clone kama ni HFM. Sasa wewe ukienda wakikwambia kujeni huko, sawa wewe deposit to $20, deposit sijui auto. Hizo ni site zao wanazi own wenyewe. So ukideposit ido, at the end of the day ido inaingia kwa mfuko ya umsi.
Kenyan Prince, another notorious name in the forex space, was recently put under the spotlight, this time by a South African forex trader who took a closer look at one of his viral trading videos. In the video, Kenyan Prince showcases what appears to be massive profits from live trading. Big numbers, clean wins, the kind of content that easily convinces anyone watching that he knows exactly what he's doing. But frontman, the South African trader, was not buying it.
Okay, you can confirm.
After reviewing the footage, he pointed out several inconsistencies when compared to actual live trading. One major red flag: the complete absence of trading costs. No commissions, no swap fees, nothing. In real trading, he said, those costs are unavoidable, and seeing zero fees raised serious questions about whether the account Kenyan Prince was showcasing was even real.
When you trade in any real environment, you will always see some sort of transaction cost, swaps, spread, commissions, whatever it may be. When those numbers are completely missing, that already raises a question whether this is demo or a real trading environment.
Frontman also broke down another common trick used by some forex influencers: running two accounts at the same time, placing both buy and sell trades on the same asset. No matter which direction the market moves, one account wins and the other loses. Then, naturally, only the winning account is shown to the public, while the losing one quietly disappears. And this is one thing very common from these people: losses rarely make it online. It's the wins that get the exaggerated spotlight.
Here's another trick that is very common in this space. Some influencers run two accounts at the same time. One account buys, one account sells on the exact same asset at the exact same time. One of those accounts will end up massively in profits, while the other will be in a big loss, depending on the direction of the move. But just take a guess at which one gets posted online.
He further explained how some brokers allegedly play a role in all this by providing influencers with demo accounts that mirror real trading environments, making it easier to stage convincing profit videos like the one Kenyan Prince shared.
Sometimes it even goes further. Beadbook brokers will partner up with influencers with a large following and provide demo environment accounts that are made to look like a live account, with the sole goal of using fabricated profits to promote the broker.
So based on all this, these traders are not making their money from the forex market itself. They are making it from you believing that they are. That is, you believing that they are good at forex or super at forex, and believing them to trade for you, or believing them to provide master classes to you. So before you trust, before you invest, before you buy into the image they sell online, take a step back and ask yourself, is this real trading or just a really good performance? Thank you for watching this video. If you've liked the video, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next one.